everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a raw banana fry. It's enough like a fish fry style. It's simple, just like a fish fry. Let's see what are the ingredients I'm going to add on this raw banana. It's very simple and easy. Let's see all the ingredients one by one. First, I cut the raw banana like this and I have added some 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and mixed it like this so they don't stick together. So let's see all the ingredients now. I'm adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of cilantro powder, it's called coriander powder, then 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder, then I have a ready-made fish fry masala. It has a mixture of all spices. So I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of fish fry masala. Okay, these are the powders. So apart from this, I'm going to add some fennel seed powder for extra flavor, a pinch of cumin powder for extra flavor, a pinch of garlic powder for nice and aroma, a pinch of pepper powder, then spray some fenugreek leaf powder, dry fenugreek leaf powder. So after adding all this, I'm going to add some salt to taste. Okay. So I added all the ingredients. Now I'm going to spray some lemon juice on it. And I'm going to spray some lemon juice. Let's say 1.5 teaspoon of lemon juice and 10 drops of liquid smoke. That will gives you a nice aroma to this dish. For a nice reddish pinkish red color, I'm going to add some beetroot powder finally, then some chopped curry leaves. So we're all set. I'm going to fry it in the pan. I have added some beetroot powder for a beautiful pinkish red color for a raw banana fry. So the pan is heated. I added 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Now I'm going to add the banana spice mixer one by one. Gently the raw banana fry is perfectly cooked on both sides. Now it's ready to serve. Let's serve it in a plate. Crispy, tasty, delicious raw banana fry is ready. It tastes like a fish fry and it's so delicious. It's very delicious for the yogurt rice. So try it at your home and comment how it tastes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel.